So thanks for watching guys. This is the wallet we are making. I hope you guys have seen the picture, so leave a comment down below if you want me to put the measurement for it. This is it. We make 3 places for card, which is this, the first one, the second one, and the third one. Then we divide it with this divider and this extension, and we fix the zip. This is the zip. As you can see, this is how the wallet look like. So let me see if I can just zip it with one hand. By the way, my tripod was broken, so that's why I'm using hand to video. So this is the wallet / purse. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below on what next we should do. There's a lot of video coming, and that is all for now. Peace out.